Good morning all of you. Today we are going to see nature cure treatment for Kudikal Vadam. According to traditional Tamil medicine, there are 84 types of Vada disease. Vada disease means the disease which is related to Vayus, Dasa Vayus. So they have divided this Vayu disease into 84. Kudikal Vadam is one among them. Many women, they suffer from this Kudikal Vadam. Kudikal Vadam means the pain in ankles. And the pain here is giving a lot of trouble to the women. Many women suffer from this Kudikal Vadam. Today we are going to see the nature cure remedy for Kudikal Vadam. So for this therapy you need a herb. This is called Yerukku Ilai. Many of you would have known it is a very common herb in India, and this herb has a unique property. You see, all the herbs in the hot sun, it will dry up without water, and even some herbs, if you pour water also, because of the hot sun, it will not survive. But this herb, it does not require any water, but it grows with the help of sun radiation. The heat helps to grow this. This is a miraculous herb, and this is a herb of Lord Sun. The sun, we call it as the herb of sun. And this herb is very effective in curing the Kudikal Vadam. So you take this herb, 3 to 5 leaves, and heat the brick. You take a half brick and heat the brick nicely till it becomes red. Already this brick have been heated, and now I am going to demonstrate you how to do this nature cure therapy. Let this brick, half brick, be heated nicely till it becomes red, and then keep the brick down and keep one leaf on it, and keep your foot on it and press. Feel the heat on your legs till you bear the heat. Keep your legs on the leaf, and then keep your left, and when you feel that the leaf is burnt, keep it down, keep the other leaf and keep your legs on it. Do like this 5 to 10 times. This nature cure treatment is an ancient method used in traditional Tamil medicine in Tamil Nadu, and we have got a very good results. Those who are seeing, please try. This is very simple remedy. You do it for 10 days and you can relieve the pain of your foot and your ankles. Okay? Thank you all of you.